Hey guys, how you going? Hope you're well. In this lockdown, we're still in lockdown, crazy stuff. Anyway, end of whatever it is, September, until we get out of this thing. Hope you guys are going really well. Probably free as a bird if you're elsewhere in the world. I just wanted to clock in before we launch episode 5 and just say g'day on a couple of quick things. There's just a couple of things I wanted to talk about. We've just celebrated 1 year, the first anniversary of the Street Glide CVO. So that was last week. So I've now had that bike a year. It's amazing how time flies. Happy anniversary or happy first birthday to the CVO, which is just sitting behind the camera. Now, I just wanted to clock in and talk about, before I lock into this episode 5 and share it with you, I'm really excited because I've just bought a new camera, which is now part of the film crew, if you can call it that. The whole point of the matter is to take Fast and Curious to the next level. Let's make these journeys more epic. As a viewer, hoping you'll feel more involved in each episode, which is good. I just talk on the topic of music, you know, I go through hours and hours of searching for music when I'm putting each and every video together. Music is a really big part of what I do in bringing the production to life, giving the production some emotion, and helping the viewer feel like they're there, or that they can relate to that particular scene. So really important. I think my favorite song that I have to date is from a very talented musician, and it's a song by the name of Western Town. Artist's name is Michael Shines. I've played it a few times. It is my favorite. I just wanted to give a shout out on this particular song. I guess why it means so much to me as well. You know, there's a couple of things in that song that talk about, you know, and I guess relevant to the times we're in now in Australia, you know, and other parts of the world as well, where, you know, he talks about sometimes the cards you've got are not enough. Sometimes all those eyes just want to take you down, I guess, in so many ways. You know, these are the challenges, obviously, that we're dealt with in life. I'm not going to get into some sermon here, but I just find those words really powerful. I think the thing that I love too is in the chorus where he talks about, I don't know that they are aware of who they've just woken up. Something like that. But if you listen to the song and if you listen to the chorus, you'll hear exactly what I mean. And to me, it's all about getting on your feet and fighting forward in those challenging times. You know, Michael Shines, you deserve a big shout out on that song, mate. It is a brilliant song. Why it's not a top 10 song, I have no idea. But thank you for making it available for people like myself to use, and hopefully give you some promotion in the meantime with giving that thanks back. So that's enough on the song. I just wanted to talk about this bit of camera gear. You're going to see it real soon. I'm not going to blab on too much longer. But yeah, please let me know your comments. Let me know what you think of it. I'm pretty pumped, and let's go and check it out. I'll catch you real soon on the road, and hope you're all keeping well. Let's get out of this lockdown. Cheers, guys.
I wonder if the crew all made it out. Throw dust into the wind. If I survive, I'll probably try again. Sometime all those eyes want you to give it up. Don't keep me waiting. Someday every card you got is not enough. My sins, magnolia bushes blowing in the wind, holes busting through that door. My brother on a lawman's favorite horse. He said, as long as you're alive, should we ride? Sometime all those eyes want you to give it up. Don't keep me waiting. Someday every card you got is not
What's happening, dudes? I'm very pleased to report to all of you that today is the last day of winter. Woo! How damn exciting is that? And the weather's starting to get warmer, which is nice too. So currently about 22 degrees here in Sydney. Nice. The nights are still getting a little bit icy, but the days have been quite lovely when that sun's out. So bring on summer. You might have noticed I've got a new sticker on my helmet. How have you guys been? Let me know, drop me some comments, tell me what's been going on in your neck of the woods. I hope you're keeping sane and well. And you know, we're getting frustrated. We've had some good news though, I guess in little spurts. But one of the most exciting things that got to me was an email from Qantas saying that they're hoping to resume flights, international flights to the United States and Canada and the UK from mid-December, which is, if that goes to plan, that has made my year, let me tell you right now. You know, it was a nice email to get. It's given us some hope, given us some excitement around these lockdowns, and you know, that we can international travel again, hopefully sometime in the future. You know, that's good, that's good. Be positive, that's good news. Well, I'm just going another way, which is again not too far from my house, out into, I think this is all still part of the Ku-ring-gai National Park, but which I've been to before, but this is a different way. So I'm going down to Akuna Bay, which is, I've actually not brought the Harley down here before, and I'm pretty sure I've been down here before, but I definitely haven't been down here on the Harley. So we're climbing down now through all these bends. The road surface ain't that good, but the Wilbur suspension's taking care of that problem. Let's have a look at where I am. Gives you a view of the roads and the bends. So pretty sharp bends happening. They're all sort of 15 kilometre, 20 kilometre an hour bends. Have a look at this view. See these secrets? Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. Stunning. Look at that. Whoa, so pretty. Look at that road. Look at that view. See, man, this is how beautiful Australia is, right? And this is Sydney. That's the amazing thing. This is Sydney. Like, we're right in the heart of Sydney. Well, not right in the heart, but you know. So this is the Hakuna Bay. It's amazing. It's so quiet. I feel like I have to whisper. How ridiculous is that? There's just nobody here. I mean, there's cars parked, but you know, there's nobody here. There's just no one walking around. Look at where I am. Mega $1 million yachts parked there, and cruisers, and you know, this is the car park of the rich and famous. Oh, life's tough, isn't it? Eh? Life's tough. It's beautiful down here in Hakuna Bay. I'm going to get the drone up. Let's check it out from the sky. You're going to see how spectacularly quiet these stunning little hidden bays in Sydney really are. You know, almost untouched natural wonders. Just beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Well, if you want to moor your boat, this is where you stick it. What a beautiful look at Hakuna Bay. The boats, beautiful waterways. See? Amazing. Let's ride on. So do you like my new toy? Do you like those angles? Man, I can't wait for this next tour. we should be capturing some amazing footage, which I'm really pumped about. So hopefully, I don't know what it looks like yet because I've just been recording it, but I'm going to get home, I'm going to muck around with it. By the time you guys watch this, you guys can let me know what you think of it. And I'm getting ready. Get us out of lockdown. Let me go on a tour. I'll catch you soon, guys. Keep safe and well as usual. Look after each other. And won't be long. See you soon. Peace.